Thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Andrew. Today we're going to talk about some cryptocurrency. Cardano is doing absolutely stellar today, and a lot of the altcoins really going up. Dogecoin seems to be taking a little bit of a breather, but still 96% for the day. If you like this content, please hit the like, share, subscribe buttons on my channel. Really helps the algorithm a lot. So let's get right into it. Cardano up about just under 20% today. I think at the high it probably had hit 20%. Absolutely killing it on the chart. It's breaking a point of resistance to the upside. If we look here on the daily chart for Cardano, we'll just go like this. Whoops, excuse me. We'll just go like that. And like that, we can see it has broken out. Hopefully we will get a daily close for Cardano above this point. It looks like $1.57, this breakout point. If we can close a daily candle above this breakout point, I think that we are gonna head straight up to the 618, which is gonna be, you know, it's just at about $1.80, but I think ultimately the target for this is gonna be all the way up here at the $2 level, which is gonna be right there. So just about $2 level. So we're about a 20-30% increase from where we are for Cardano. So Cardano's just doing absolutely stellar. I'm really glad because I hold a ton of Cardano, so that's amazing. Uniswap. I was really expecting Uniswap to take off. It had version 3 launch. It might take a little while for people to get into the version 3 of Uniswap, but I really thought that that was going to hit the gas and really take off, at least to new all-time highs. It might have been a sell the news event, it looks like, and there was some news on Uniswap. The DEX is live. It becomes Ethereum's indisputable #1 for concentrating liquidity on the DeFi network. Uniswap is great. If you haven't tried Uniswap, check it out. It has market makers in there, version 3 of the protocol, new market makers. What's new? Let's check out what's new real quick. Uniswap version 3 is a big step forward for the protocol. Jump Capital Road, increased flexibility. I haven't tried version 3 yet of the Uniswap, but if you have, let me know and check out the, drop a comment and let me know how it goes. I'd be interested to check it out for sure. And again, more Bitcoin news. E-commerce giant Mercado Lib discloses a $7.8 million Bitcoin buy. I expect that companies are just going to start declaring, hey, I bought Bitcoin. Hey, it's just going to be an everyday thing. Hey, I bought Bitcoin. I bought more Bitcoin. This is just another one in the thousands of companies that I think are going to buy Bitcoin. I think every company is going to buy Bitcoin, and if they don't, they're going to miss out on some pretty sick gains. So they better buy it, right? The total market cap for crypto, it was getting a little scary actually under this. We almost flipped bearish, but luckily it took back off, and I think that's because of Janet Yellen had made a comment the other day about interest rates. And it looks like it's just that comment really helped to reverse the total crypto market cap. It looks like money's flowing back in. It was looking a little scary. It was going to fall through the EMA ribbons possibly, but it doesn't look like that happened. So that's really good for us. Ethereum, which is one of the ones we were looking at, obviously I hold a lot of Ethereum. I kind of switched some of my Ethereum at this point into Cardano, which I'm considering switching back into Bitcoin. So I'm hoping, yeah, that once I've gotten the a little bit of a push up in Cardano. I think I'm going to go ahead and trade that back into Bitcoin, because a lot of these altcoins have really made incredible gains on Bitcoin. And I think at some point that's got to reverse, right? Bitcoin will take back the lead, and it'll make gains based on these altcoins, and that's kind of how the market cycle goes. But for now, I'm definitely happy riding it out in Cardano, which appears to be breaking new all-time highs. I'm kind of waiting for that $2 level on Cardano to come in, and then I think at that point I would probably consider moving back into like a Bitcoin or an Ethereum, depending on what the price ratios are for Bitcoin and Ethereum at that point. Again, obviously not financial advice. It's just what I'm thinking of doing, but you do you. But just having a stellar day for Cardano, so I'm really happy. Chainlink is up massively too. So if anyone has Chainlink, they're doing really, really well this week. A lot of altcoins really killing it. It has Ethereum Classic too. Ethereum went on a big run. Ethereum Classic went on a crazy run, up 225% this week, which is absolutely amazing. I think that's probably even more than regular Ethereum. Yeah, it is more than Ethereum. Obviously, Dogecoin has done some really great things. I think that the altcoin season is really, really continuing full force, and I think it's going to continue for a little bit until Bitcoin is ready to break out. If we're looking on this chart, Bitcoin is it hasn't made up its mind if it wants to break out. It's just consolidating, right? And you know what they say, when the cat's away, the mice play. So Bitcoin's just kind of consolidating, going left and not really up and down, left and right, not really doing a whole lot of anything. And so obviously the altcoins are going to take off in that environment, which is what we're seeing, right, with Ethereum, Cardano, etc., Solana, Uniswap, all these different coins doing pretty well, Dogecoin, in the market. So hopefully, because I have a lot of altcoins, Bitcoin can continue to move sideways just for a little bit longer, and we'll continue to make those altcoin gains. That would be super awesome. If you liked this content, please feel free to give me a like, subscribe, and comment on the links down below. Thanks so much. That's it for me for today. See ya.